2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Beautiful truck. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. There's a third converter, flex pipe, 3-inch pipe, and then we put a wide pipe setup, straight pipe right there, out the back, on each side, all the way straight out the back into 4-inch tips there and there. Chevy Silverado Flex Fuel LTZ. Really nice truck. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Sound decibels. Right, peaks like 103. It's okay. It's not gonna be too loud. Those catalytic converters take a lot of the sound away. 2009 Silverado. These trucks never disappoint. They always sound good.